my friends, those ones who are admiring to be my friends. I want to thank you so much for the time that we have always been friends, the advices and the bad things that we have gone through. Let's take the good part, let's not remember the bad positive. Now, there is this one question that I want to answer today. I want to answer once for all, so that whoever is planning to come and ask me again, you don't do it. People, let's learn to accept. Let us learn to accept that there are certain things, or there is certain lifestyle, or there is something in each of us that has to be private. Now, why do you have to come, or who even gave you the audacity to come and ask me about my love life, who I'm dating, what tribe is she, the academic qualification, the age, what is the height? Now, let me tell you something, people. Asking such questions is a very big sign of disrespect. Do to others what you want others to do to you. Not every questions are supposed to be answered. One day, if you ask someone and you are not answered, even silence is an answer. So what I have to tell you is, one, marriage has nothing to do with height. So you don't have to tell me about height. Marriage or love has nothing to do with someone's academic qualifications. That is two. Marriage or relationship has nothing to do with what concerns you. So what I'm telling you is, one, don't come to ask me about the age, about the height. You get? Now, if you ask me about the height, yes, I know I'm short and I'm proud about it. You see, I didn't create myself, it is God. Unfortunately, He created me and He blessed me with some gift. You get? You think every lady is yours because you're tall. What are you doing for the ladies? Because sometimes some of us, you look and undermine. We take care of these ladies more than you. We do. We show them love. We care about them. We pick them from one step to another. Because what ladies want these days? Ladies want men with vision, not properties. You get? We are fighting day and night to make sure that we sustain our family without a single problem. We are trying to make sure that these ladies are recognized in the society. You get? So you don't have to be undermining people who are short because you don't know why. When you see that Yubu was short, you shouldn't ask me what kind of kids are you going to have, because you don't know the reason why I'm short. What if you're to find out that in the whole family I'm the only one short? Are you going to accuse me or accuse God? You get? Because personally, in my family, I'm the only one small. You get? I'm the only one small. Now, you can have the height, but are you knowledgeable? Do you have the capacity to think? You can be tall. But when I think and reason beyond you, some of you, what you think about in a month, it takes me only 1 week to think about and get the feedback. And you come to start asking. Now, when you discover that, okay, you go in a relationship with such and such a person, that is now when you start to say, okay, let's look for the lady. Let us try out to see if this lady. Now, you start going to my woman and you start asking, why do you love? How can you marry such a man? What can that man do? Stupidly, you even start asking, can he satisfy you on bed? What the hell? People, let's learn to live within our limit. Me talking to you or bringing you close to me does not make you my friend. There's a difference between a friend, or there is a difference between making friendship and relating with the others. Put that at the back of your mind. You get? Nobody should come and start encroaching to know things to do with my life. All I can tell you is my life is my life. How I live it, I live it. So what I can tell you, please